Okay, everybody, here's the Suburban. Um, I think I said it earlier in another video. I didn't have to, but it was a lot easier. Um, Went ahead and got another door. It was off a Tahoe. That's why it looks like that right now. The trim's different, doesn't have the chrome strip across the top. So profile's different, everything, can't use it. Peels off, double stick tape, butyl tape, something like that. Aftermarket fender. Got my lines pretty good. It needs tweaked just a little bit more. Got the splash inner fender back on. Um, Everything's in. I haven't trial fit the hood yet because you can see right there that hood hinge is a little jacked up. And in the process of trying to move that up, I actually broke the wiper transmission. So my newest friend at Pierce Auto Parts, has got one, 40 bucks, and he's also getting me an airbag too. So I've got some more electrical work to do. My intake extension from the air box to the throttle body is pushed in. I'm going to see if I can't heat that up and push it back out. Then I'll probably have to do the plastic welding on it. I got everything, like I said, everything's hooked back up. I'm actually going to try to start this thing here in a couple minutes. So I got to work on the bumper cover, stuff like that. Like I said, I've got to, still got a lot of work to do, but if I can start this thing today, that'll ease my mind and even more so my wife's mind. All the fluids were good except for what lost out of the transmission and cooler and stuff like that. The oil's good. It was down just a tick. Got the reservoir for the power brakes put on. That was an easy job. Took about 2 or 3 minutes, I guess. Had to get a ladder out so I could push down on it. What I found out is you put the rubber grommet seals into the body first, and then put a little bit of brake fluid on that, on the nipples of the reservoir, and you have to push on it pretty hard to get it to pop in. But once it went, it's in. So topped off the or almost topped off all the antifreeze and stuff like that. So I'm going to see if this thing will start, hopefully before it rains. But that's where we're at right now. If I get it running, I just put a couple gallons worth of gas because I did have the key on yesterday and it said it was low on fuel. So this is a flex fuel vehicle, so I'm sure if they used flex in it, the E85 is probably broken down by now. But it's coming, work in progress. Everything's lined back up fairly decent. Like I said, I still have to tighten some things up and start working on that bumper cover. It's got a big crack in it. Not real happy about that, but what are you going to do? So, all right, well, that's where things are right now. And I'm going to hook up the battery and give this thing a whirl. All right, wish me luck.